How to turn on avoid highways on Google Map. To avoid highways while using Google Maps on your iPhone device, you can enable the avoid highways option, which is available in your route settings on your Google Map. For that, first of all, you have to launch the Google Maps application on your iPhone device. Then enter your destination. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and enter your destination. Select your destination from the search results. Then tap on the direction button, represented by a blue arrow. Then on the direction on the top right, you will see 3 dots. Simply tap on it and select options. From there you will see avoid highways option. Simply toggle on that. When you toggle on that button, you have successfully drawn on avoid highways on Google Maps. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.